everyone. Welcome to this special episode workshop, online workshop. And this is the first time I'm going to be learning online how to make something that's DIY. Otherwise, we've always done it in person. And we have our expert, Miss Neeta Ganguly, with us, who's going to be teaching us how to make natural Holi colors. Now, Holi is next week, and it's colorful and people like to have fun and all the colors go onto our skin, so it's all the more important that those colors are skin friendly, chemical free and natural. So welcome, Neeta, and we are looking forward to learning these natural colors so that we can play safe Holi.
Thank you so much, Anuja. Thank you so much. So I just wanted everyone to see the terrarium which we made in the last workshop, and it's doing well. So I brought the
Very
baby
good.
with me just to say hello to everyone. So
Hello.
I'll, yeah. So yeah, let's start. Um, so,
Mhm.
uh, so I'm not an expert, first of all, Anuja. I'm not an expert. I'm also learning. But this color which is in front of you, this palette, can you see this?
Mhm.
Okay, you
Yeah.
see a blue, you see a red, you see a yellow and a greenish, a
Yeah.
green one. Okay. So these are the colors I used to make around 20, 25 years back, in Sanskriti
Wow.
school when I was teaching. So my tagline line used to be Khelo Holi naturally. And
Ah.
at that time, I mean, I have definitely evolved from this. But at that time, how I used to make this, I'm not making this, but I'll tell you the recipe. And so for the blue, I use this Robin blue, which you use it for whitening your cloth. I forgot to bring the mehendi. So green is the mehendi. Red is the roli, which we use it for puja colors, roli. And green is mehendi. I forgot to bring that packet. You all know what mehendi is. And the yellow one is actually the favorite one. Even when I learned how to make the new one, this is still my favorite. So the proportion for all the three, the green, the blue, and the red, all right, the green, blue, and the red is 1:1. And what is that one we're using? We are using maida. So if you remember when we were kids, I don't know how many of you have done it. When we were kids on the Sundays, we used to take maida and we used to put some milk in it and malai and used to rub it on your body to take out all your dirt. So maida is such a thing. When you put it on your body, it actually is very good absorbent and it can remove your dirt and everything. So when you mix a roli, which is a tika which you put, so it is friendly to your skin. You're using for your puja. When you're using robin blue, which is for your whitening of your clothes. And remember how we use robin blue? We first wash the clothes and we rinse out the soap, then we may make the robin blue powder in the water, dip it and dry it. So we don't wash the robin blue. So that means robin blue is also safe for your skin, right? And then the green one is mehendi. Mehendi we are putting all the time. So mehendi is also safe for your skin. So all the three things which I've taken, these three colors I've taken is safe for the skin. But they have their colors. So that's why I put maida. So when I put maida, if it gets wet, what will happen? The maida will clump up and it'll just remove from your skin. So
Mhm.
what maida does is it does not allow that color to stick to your skin.
Mhm.
But you play a dry Holi, it's good and it's not bad for your skin. But the moment you get
Mhm.
wet, it will clump up and remove the whole thing. So that's why
Mhm.
we make this. And how do we make it? A simple thing. If you're making 1 cup of maida, then 1 cup of robin blue. 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of mehendi. 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of roli. That means 1:1.
Okay.
1:1. Same thing. Okay,
Okay.
so I've just made it because I'm going to show the other thing. That's why I didn't want to make too much time making this. It's simple. And all you need is to use some container you make it in. And you
Uh-huh.
have to mash it nicely. Mash it, mash it, mash it. जितना mash करोगे, उतना रंग निकलेगा. It'll become
Okay.
deeper and deeper. The moment it's not that you put it and you mix it and stir it. It's not stirring. It's But sukha mashing. And you'll
Okay.
see, the moment you mash, it'll become darker and darker and darker and darker and darker. Okay? Why the yellow one is my
Now you didn't tell. You didn't tell about the yellow one.
let's come for the it's not the last, but it's the best one. Still the best. Out of even when I show you the
Okay.
wet one, it's the best. Why I kept it
Okay.
in? Yellow is nothing but uptan. You know
Okay.
uptan? Besan and haldi.
The basin.
Besan
Basin
and
and
haldi. Besan and haldi.
mm-hmm.
Simply. So when you, the proportion for this is, if I take 5 tablespoons of besan, I'll add 1
Mm-hmm.
tablespoon of haldi. Not 1:1.
Okay.
Because haldi is strong. 5 tablespoons of
Strong. Yeah.
besan, 1 tablespoon of haldi. So when I first mix it, it will give you a very dull color like this. This is ये कैसा color?
Yeah.
This is not a color. ये तो कोई color ही नहीं है. But trust me, this uptan or this yellow color, you must make it at least 2 to 3 days before Holi. You can't make it on the day or before, 1 day before Holi. The 2 to 3 days you put it out or keep it in the air only. You don't have to keep it in the sun also. Just keep it out. It gets oxidized and the color changes to this bright yellow. See the yellow. Bright yellow it becomes. And that's the best part. And आपने होली खेला, होली खेलने के बाद अगर थोड़ा सा बच गया, पकौड़ी बना के खा लो. Or if it's too much, you can actually refrigerate and keep it. You can refrigerate and keep it and use it as and when you want to make your pakodi. Nothing will go wrong. Why? Because your haldi is a preservative.
Yeah.
It is antiseptic, preservative, everything. So it will not allow the besan to get spoiled. Okay.
That's cool.
This is the color. This is the color.
Super.
All right. So this is your dry from dry ingredient, which I gave it in the beginning, right? The first slide which I gave. Dry from dry ingredient. Again, I'll repeat. All the rest, green, blue, and red, Roli, Neil, and Mendi, 1:1 with maida. With maida. Because I do not want any yellowish color. Besan ka yellow color hai. I want it with a white and it gets colored, but you have to mash it nicely. And the yellow one, the best one, uptan, is 5 spoons of your besan, 1 spoon of the same measurement, 1 spoon of your haldi. Mix it nicely. Keep it for 2-3 days. The color changes to bright golden yellow. But not on the first day. After 1 or 2 days, so lagta hi hai definitely. And the more you keep it, the more brighter it gets. That's the best part about it. All right. So this is your dry one. All right. Now I'll talk about how you make gulal again. You again make dry color from wet. All right. So here I've got some. So for that, remember, here I've used ingredients which are safe for your skin. Now, when I'm using wet, I'm going to use certain ingredients which I can eat. If I can eat and my body takes it, then I can apply it. The body will have no problem. So I'm talking about now edible things. All right. So what are the edible things? Here is my edible plate. So I'm going to make same color, blue, yellow, red. You can make as many colors. Now you think about nature. This is the purple. Purple cabbage. All right. This is my green ke liye. Jaise I use mehendi. I'm going to use palak. Then for the red or maybe the magenta pink, I am using beetroot. You can use hibiscus flowers. You can use as many things as you want. Think about the color which you is good for. Hibiscus is good for your skin, good for your hair. So you can put it on your skin. Hibiscus tea you have. Then Aparajita flowers, if you have, you can use with that also. All right, you can do anything. But how do I make the color? That's the thing. A lot of people do this. I don't do this. They use dry flowers. You've got your flowers, you dry your flowers, and you want to now take out colors from your dry flower. You can boil it in water, make your concoction, and then mix it. So what I'm going to show you, you can do with the boiling. But I'm not doing boiling because I am trying to be as carbon low as possible. Because when you heat, the carbon emission goes up. All right. So what I'm going to do. So you need, I told you, a mixie jar. So here I put the palak inside it. Okay. So whenever I'm mixing it, I take a cupful of palak and I'm going to blend it. Now, when you blend in a mixie jar, the mixie gets hot. The jar gets hot. So when the color gets heated, it gets denatured. It becomes blackish. So how do I preserve the color? I will add 2 cubes of ice. 2 cubes only. For a 1 cup of any edible food, I'll add 2 cubes of ice. Or you can use cold water also. But I prefer the ice. It really keeps it chill. So when you put 2 cubes of ice and you blend it, you'll feel the container is cold. So the color does not get denatured. Okay? It becomes, so here is my palak. And I had blended. And here is my palak juice. All right, this is the palak juice, green color. You can see. Can you see the greenish color? This is the palak juice. And here how do I do it? After make the blending it, I take a kapda, I put all the thing in that thing, squeeze out and take out that juice. So here is the remnant of my palak. All right, after squeezing it out. So that's the fiber which I'm not going to use. I'm going to make bioenzyme with these. I make bioenzymes with the remnants. Okay. And here is my juice, which I blended and got it from, it was with 2 ice, only 2 ice, because I took 1 cup of the palak, like I just showed you. And here is the juice, right? So what do? Now I'm going to now make color with this. So when I want to make color, if you want, you can add essence to give a nice flavor. So you can add the essence in the juice itself. Just add few drops of essence. All right. So I'm giving a lemon essence over here. So again, edible. Or you can use your perfumes also. Remember, perfumes, you're putting it on your skin. So nothing will happen. We are not drinking this. We are going to apply. You can put your perfume. If you have a strong perfume, you can use a strong perfume. Or I can add an essence. So I'll add some essence to it. I'm giving a little lemon flavor to it. Okay. You can add any, you can add khas. You can add khas if you have khas. I don't have khas. It's got a nice aroma. All right. Now what do? I'll take any container and now I have to make the powder, right? So to make the powder, I will use this corn flour. No maida. Why no maida? Because remember, I said maida absorbs. The moment it gets moist, it just clumps up. अब वो dough बन जाता है, आटा बन जाता है. And when if you try and do it. If you try and make it with maida, when maida dries up, becomes coarse. It becomes very coarse. Whereas arrowroot or corn flour. Corn flour is basically what? When your corn becomes old. With that, they make the corn flour. It's not the young corn flour. It's the old corn flour, that which is dried and ground, you get corn flour. Arrowroot is again, depending on which, arrowroot is basically a root of any this thing. Mainly in India, we use tapioca. Okay. So, but depending upon which country has what root available in plenty, they use the old ones, dry it and make arrowroot. So both arrowroot and corn flour, if you ever feel it, you'll find it's very talcum powder like. It's or very slippery. It's very slippery. Yeah. It's not soft like maida. So when I wet it, it will not immediately take the or absorb the moisture. All right. So how much I have to put in? That's the next question is how I make. So when I take my container, here's my container. So I'll do this. I will add, say about 1. I've added 4. So I've added 4 tablespoons of this. So this thing which we add is, try not to go more than 1/4. Okay. But then I'll see trial and error. I'll do it. It's not always it works like that. So let me just see. Let me just stand and then we add it. Okay. Here it is. And here is your, wait, this one. Yeah. Can you see now?
Yeah.
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 All right.
We have Priya's hand raised.
Yeah, Priya, tell me.
Ma'am, my daughter wanted to ask if we can, whatever you did with spinach, can we do with rose for red color? She
Yes,
just
I'm going to show you more.
Okay.
Rose, hibiscus, you name it. We'll do that. We'll find out what are the different colors, different depending what you have around. Okay. I'll just show
Okay.
it to you. Yes, we can do rose because rose petals you can eat. Yeah, you can. But don't take any flower which you don't know how it'll react with your body. It's a beautiful flower. It's a very red flower, but I don't know whether it's poisonous or not because I don't eat it. So when you don't eat it, don't use it on your skin because you don't know whether it will react with your skin or not. So use only those edible flowers, edible leaves to be on the safer side. But you can
Okay.
try it out if you want to experiment. All right. But I will advise no. So I now see, are you all, can you all see? I'll take the,
Yeah.
and I'll add one. Okay. Mix it. The best way to do it is using your hand. So, and mix it. So this is what I was saying. You have to mash it nicely. So when you mash it, is there any lumps? You're going to break it and you're mashing the color into it, right? It's got turned very light green, not good enough. So I'm going to add another spoon. So you have to, don't pour the whole thing directly. Try and error.
Okay.
See how much you need to add, okay? You will get it. Slightly damp, but dry also. All right? So this is what you have to feel it and do it. So I'm going to add another spoon. Very light color. So if you want, there's a light green it has, so I'll give another spoon. I think now it'll. Yes. I tried the same thing with maida. I got the color. So once you finish this, you have to dry it up. Then you strain it like with the chutney. And when I did it with the maida, I found a lot of granules. So I got half, which was strained. Rest all half was granules. But when I did it with corn flour and arrowroot, I got no granules. So that is why I said when you're using wet, do not use maida. Can you see the color? I'll show you in a black surface.
It's like pista green.
It's a pista green. So if you want a darker color, use food color if you want. You can use food color. So to this, I will add the food color and then do it. But I'm not going to do it. I'm happy with the natural colors. But if you want, here, can you see this color? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you just spotlight me? Then I can see myself because I'm seeing myself in a very small thing. Then I know.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah. Means you have to what you can pin it. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So see, this is the color. Can you see? It's a
Yeah.
very light green. So this is the white. This is white. I'll show you so that you know that the color has changed. This is white and this is pista. Pista green. You're right.
Yeah.
It's pista green. So if you want, you can add a little more. Whatever is there, I can add a little more and make it darker. But then I have to be careful. Do not add too much. It should not start becoming a dough. Okay. So you have to be careful about that. I'll take a chance and I'll add one more and see what, I hope it doesn't. And if it does become a dough, then there's a learning in that too. So now what you have to do is, you can see it's already clumping up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is good enough. Still, this is good enough. Now what I have to do is, it's slightly moist. See, I added a little more. You can see it's a little clumpy. Right?
Darker.
But it's okay. You allow it to dry, air dry it. You don't have to sun dry it, air dry it. And once it is dry, then you sieve it. Once you sieve it, it
Chan.
opens up again. And the color is beautiful. Then it looks very nice. Okay, so this is your pista color. All right, so that's one. Now I'll take another one. This is beetroot. You see a rich color. Again, I took a cupful, 2 eyes, grind it and squeeze it out. And here is the squeeze part. All right, in a cloth, any cloth. Now it says muslin. You don't need to need muslin. Whatever cloth you have, which is cotton and thin enough, you can see the color on my hand also. Immediately is taken color. All right, so this is your beetroot. Again, for that, you do the same thing. I'll add about 4 spoons. Okay.
Neeta.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is there a cheaper option, alternative for corn flour?
Arrowroot and corn flour, the only 2 one. The cheaper one is maida. But as I said, maida, when you put in maida, it becomes. And when people use talcum powder, that's very expensive. So corn flour is not very costly. All right. So I don't know if there's anything similar to corn flour which is cheaper. And out of arrowroot, corn flour is the cheaper one.
Cheaper, yeah, that's true.
So here is again the beetroot. I'm adding. Going by the last standard, I'll definitely add 3. There I added about 4 or 5. Mix. You can immediately see the color. Yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Pink. Light pink. But if you want it darker, we'll make it darker. What's Priya's daughter's name?
Sanvi.
Sangvi? You want it
Sanvi.
darker?
Yeah.
Sangvi,
Sanvi.
right?
Yes.
Sangvi, you want it darker or you want this color?
This color is
You want it darker or this color?
this color is
You want it darker or a little more? I'll add
This color is fine.
This color is fine. Just add a little more. So that otherwise, you know what happens in the online, the color is not very, it's because of the white light. I have the tube.
Yeah, the lights.
Yeah, it doesn't show the color. Oh, this
Now
is
we can see it's pink, nice and
so
pink.
pretty.
Yeah.
It's such a pretty color.
The favorite color.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's such a pretty color. And the more you mix it, the more color it becomes darker. Do you see it? Because of short of time, I'm not doing. Otherwise, you're supposed to sit and do it for each. You're supposed to do 15, 20 minutes. Sit and
Wow.
give it to the children and ask them to mash and mash and mash and mash. The more you mash, the darker it becomes.
Ma'am, after this, do we have to dry it, ma'am?
Yes, you
Oh.
do not sun dry it. You just air dry it. After you dry it, because it's moist, no? I've added wet. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
dry it. After you dry it, then you see the
Wow.
color. Beautiful,
Beautiful.
right?
Very pretty.
Very pretty. This was the green. Now we can see the green and pink, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
The green
pretty.
and pink. Yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful color. So this is your pink. So remember, I had blue, red, green, and yellow. So I have done the green, and I'm in the red. I have done the pink. Now I've left with the yellow and the blue, right? Yellow and the blue.
Mhm.
So yellow, think about something now. Now you think about various fruits and vegetables and leaves you can use. Now tell me, Thangvi, tell me you can use your rose. What else can you use for red?
Correct.
What else we can use for red? Pomegranate.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
pomegranate.
that will give a pink.
Pomegranate,
Anything
yeah.
else? Anything else? Anything about juices
The
and
lal,
colors?
Tomato.
Tomato also, yes, tomato will give you, but the tomato inside is not that colorful. You need the skin. So you need the skin. You blend it with the skin. The skin has the color.
with the,
All right. So anything
what
else?
about that red bhaji?
Yes.
The red bhaji?
The the red saag. Excellent.
Red saag.
Excellent. Red saag. Yes. Red saag. Yes. Anything else? Think about yellow. What else you can do have it in yellow? Yellow, which you can
What
eat.
about
Marigold.
the squash?
The
The
marigold
yellow
flower.
squash?
The
The
marigold flower.
flower.
The marigold flower is edible. Marigold flower is actually edible. So a lot of people use it for making tea. You know. So think about the various flower. Aprajita flower. You can do it. That
Yeah,
the blue one. The blue one you can do it. You can do the same
Yeah.
thing, but you need a lot of flour. All right. Or
Yeah.
if you have the dry one, you can boil it, take out the color and then do it. You can do it that way.
Yeah.
But I don't want to boil it. I like to do it this way. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you something else. For yellow, I'm going to use another yellow. And that is this. What is this? Haldi.
Haldi?
Haldi. Now I'm going to make it a haldi liquid. So how do I make it haldi liquid? So I'm going to take haldi. All right.
And water?
And water, yes, haldi and water. So let's do haldi and water. And haldi is very good for your skin. So I'll just take 1 spoon of haldi, right? I'm not making too much of this. And this is my organic haldi. So it's not that yellow, it's that beautiful color it has. So I'll add some water to it.
Ma'am, I have some haldi.
No, with me. Why don't you do it with me?
Can I grind it, ma'am, and use it?
Yes, yes. Wonderful.
Okay. Yeah.
So I made it with so it's like a paste I have. So I can add a little more water. Okay. So I've got my haldi. So and take another. So I'm using all these rasgullas containers, for my demo. I keep them. You can imagine how much high we have Bengalis.
La.
So here. I'm not 4. I'm going to make a little bit of this. And I'm going to add this 1 spoon of the haldi. And let's mash it. And remember, haldi is a powder. I added a little water for it to mix. Okay. I can do the same thing with besan too. All right. But I'm doing it with arrowroot because remember, with besan again, I will not use this because again, besan again takes a lot of water immediately. So I did not make the haldi powder very, very watery. It was like a thick one. Okay. And here I'm getting the color. Can you see the color now? I'll just show you in this thing. Oh, lovely.
It's still light.
Yeah, it's light because of the white tube light. You can't see it. Once I bring it over there, I can see the yellow color, but I don't think so through the camera you can see it. Oh, lovely. And think
Yeah, now
of-
it looks like besan.
looks like
Besan
the-
powder. Yeah.
yes. Maybe use the whole color. I still can add the whatever's remaining there. Or I'll use whatever's left over here, I'll do something else. Okay, I'll leave this now. I'll show you another trick. I'm leaving a little
Uh-huh.
bit of haldi. Okay,
Okay.
so here it is.
So this was 1 spoon haldi.
1 spoon haldi. I added two. See, everything is like, cooking.
Yeah.
Daze mein you karna hai. Don't dala. If you want, make a little more paste and immediately do it. All right. So I added just 2 spoon, or 2 or 3 did I add? 2 or 3? 3. 3. I added 3 spoons
No, you added two spoons of corn flour.
and 2 heaps of corn flour. And
Yeah.
the color I've got. Okay. If I mash it more, I'll get it deeper. Okay. Remember, when the more you mash it, the deeper it gets. I've not mashed it yet. See this color. Compare the color. You see?
Nice, ma'am. Yeah,
Yellow. All right.
Very nice.
very nice.
It's very pretty color. So
Yeah.
this is the yellow and this is the
Once
color.
again. Can you please show it again? I would like to click a picture. Yeah.
Okay. Let me bring it with the pink.
No, the haldi and that.
Oh, with the haldi.
Yes. And now the haldi and the both the colors.
Yeah. Now both the other
Like-
colors. Okay. So now, so this is your yellow. Now,
Done.
remember I said I'm going to do a trick now. And this is the trick.
Yeah.
I've turned the haldi to this color. What is this color?
Haldi and
Haldi.
beetroot.
No. I'm going to make haldi this color.
Okay. Nice.
Lovely, you know, orange.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. I'm going to add a pinch of this. What is this?
Tuna?
Tuna.
Tuna. Mhm.
Just a pinch of tuna.
Okay.
The tuna we eat with a pan. So it's not harmful, but too much tuna is bad. So
Yeah.
that's why I said pinch.
Yeah.
Just a pinch. Not too much, not equal amount or half or 1/4 or something. Just a pinch. So I'm going to take the tuna. The tuna is already dried actually. Oh, little bit. Here's a pinch. And put it over here. Add a little water. Keep turning. Is the color changing? Is the color changing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is the
very
color changing?
good.
Can you see the yellow?
Yes.
Changing,
Yeah.
changing. Is it changing? The
Mhm.
yellow? Can you see this yellow? And this?
Yeah.
Can you see the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've not put the tuna over here. Can you see the yellow and this? And I'll put the tuna on this. It'll change. See?
Wow, this is good.
This is good, no?
Very nice, ma'am.
So does it look red, maroonish red?
This is the color. Can you
Okay,
see?
nice.
Mm.
I love
Yeah.
this color. Yeah.
Lovely. So this is nothing but kumkum.
Oh.
Okay.
So you know how to make kumkum. You can make kumkum at home. There's a way to make
There's a-
kumkum with haldi, sabut haldi, and tuna soaked for 15 days. Sabut sukha haldi. And then the sukha haldi becomes absolutely soft. Then you grind it, then you dry it. And it becomes this kumkum. This is the same thing.
Oh,
Same. Can you see? This is the one.
yeah.
So now let's make a color, which is going to be orange.
Yes, Priya, you have a question?
Priya, any question? Yes? Yes, Priya,
So,
ask.
so ma'am, that's how we make kumkum. They used to make kumkum before, haldi and
Yes.
chuna.
So there's a
Oh.
procedure, and this is not only that, it's excellent calcium supplement. So that's an Ayurvedic thing of way. So you need a mitti ka ghada. You have to take about haldi. There's a proportion, and you, I think you have to add half the amount. Whatever amount is your haldi, half the amount is your chuna. Soak it in water, and with a neem ka dandi, you have to keep rotating it every day with a for 15 days, and the whole chuna wala pani, the haldi soaks it, and the moment it soaks it, it turns to this color. And after that, you take it out, take out that haldi, dry it in the sun, chop it. When it's becomes soft, the dry haldi becomes soft. Otherwise, you can't cut a dry haldi. It becomes
Yeah.
soft, and then you chop it into pieces, and then you grind it. I have it in my kitchen. I haven't got it over here. So that's like, it's excellent. So when you have it as a calcium supplement, the only thing is you don't take it with milk.
Mhm.
With milk, it should not be taken. It can be put in your dal, shal, everything. It's an excellent calcium supplement. So let's do this now.
Oh, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we're going to have a next master class planned already. Neeta.
No, I saw YouTube and I did it, but I made it. How many
So
I
this
did?
time,
Four.
four spoons.
4 spoons. Chota spoons. I did
Chota
not
spoons,
make chota spoons. So this time I've taken 2 large. So first you see it's white, and as and when it keeps, you mix it.
Corn flour was 3 tablespoons, right? This time?
No, I took 4 also. It's okay that that's something which you need to, try and do it. So remember, you can keep adding till it is slightly damp but not wet. Your corn flour should not become wet. It's damp. You can feel the dampness, but you do not find. So you can take with like with the beetroot, just 2 tablespoons was good enough. In some, you have to add more. It all depends upon what is the concentration of the color. Because your whole idea is to make colors, right?
Yeah.
So this is a nice color, but I think I'm going to add more to give it a little more darker tinge.
So I'm saving this experience to be done with our Sotarwari school students. And when we do that, I'm going to send you the pictures.
Okay.
It'll be awesome. Wow.
Yeah, lovely color.
So now it's becoming orangish.
Yeah, the whole idea is to make it orangish. So whatever's the color, you'll get the lighter shade, because with white arrowroot or with corn flour, it dilutes the effect of the color, but the color is there. Lovely color. It's beautiful.
So if you put any of these colors for sun drying, or will all the colors
Not
become
sun
dark?
drying. No sun drying. It's only air drying.
No sun drying. Okay.
No sun drying. Only
So
air drying.
in a plate inside your kitchen or some
Yeah,
on the
anywhere.
dining table.
Yeah, and then sieve it. And then sieve it. See.
Ma'am, why can't we use it directly? Why do we have to sieve it after it dries? I mean,
Sorry?
ma'am, why do we have to sieve it after it dries? We can't we use it directly?
You can.
We can use it,
You're
right?
okay with it. Yeah. It's, as I said, it's only with the maida that it gets a little. Can you see this? Beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Compare
beautiful. Wow.
pink.
Pretty.
Yeah. In the end, I will switch off the light in front and then I'll show you all the colors. Right now, I'm just okay. And the very
Okay.
green,
Wow.
right? All right. There's another magic to go. The magic comes
Yes.
with this.
Okay. Purple? Purple cabbage.
Yeah. So we cap purple cabbage will give you purple, right?
Mm-hmm.
Remember this? What color we have not touched?
Yellow.
Yellow to ho gaya. With the
Acha,
haldi.
blue.
Blue. Now it's very difficult to get that. You get purple. The purple, even your this thing butterfly pea, that is your aparajita, it's purple. You get blue also. Yes, you get the blue one also. So in purples, like you have grapes, their grapes are purple. Purple is there. Purple is also in your purple bengal. So purple has a pigment called anthocyanin. Okay. And this anthocyanin is in its membrane. It's not in the cell. It's like, unlike the chloroplast and the chlorophyll inside it, this is the anthocyanin. So the moment you put water or something, the color runs. So the color is superficial and it's a purple color.
Okay.
And this is the same way I did it. I put in a mixie, I added 2 cubes, and because it's a very dry one, for this I added at least 3 or 4 cubes. Very dry. This is dry.
Okay.
And there's no juice. I need to have to take out juice. So I added about 4 small cubes of this thing, and I blend it, and I've got over here. All right. So now this is the color, and you can see the purple.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm going to do a trick.
So how much of the purple cabbage?
Half.
1/4
I took half.
or half?
I took the half. Half. Half.
Okay.
I got this much. All right. I got this much. I wanted a little more because I want to do a trick. So in this, the taller, thinner one, I'm adding a part of it. Okay. And the other one, I'm adding a little more. So I'm dividing into 3 parts, right? I'm not going to add more in this. I'm going to do 50-50 in this. Good enough. All right. Good enough.
Okay.
All right. Now, this is anthocyanin is actually a universal indicator for pH. So you know the pH chart?
Yes, ma'am. My elder daughter was studying this last year.
Yeah. So this is neutral. This color is neutral, 7 pH. If I put acid, then it's going to turn pink or pinkish towards the pink, depending on how much acid I add. And if I add baking soda, which is a base, it'll turn towards blue to green. All right. So what I'm going to do over here is I've got some nimbu. All right.
Okay.
And I don't want to make any more pink because I have enough. So I'm going to make it as less as possible. All right. And that's my neutral purple. And I'm going to add my nimbu. Nimbu is okay for your skin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not any hard acid we will add. We will not add any hard acid, remember? So here is my nimbu. I'm squeezing a nimbu and check the color. Pink.
Super, ma'am.
Yes, pretty, pretty, pretty.
Okay. So that can
I
be
love
another.
science teachers. I love science teachers.
That's another one. Okay. Now that's my neutral again. And I have my baking soda. Right? And I'm just going to take a pinch. All right. Just a minute. Let me just switch off my. All right. So here's my baking soda. And I'm just going to take a pinch. If you add too much, remember you're making it strong basic, it'll turn green. I already have a green color. I want the blue. All right. So here is a pinch. And see the color. Oh, it turned green. No. See the color. It's still purple.
Yeah.
Little bluish, but still purple. Have to be careful, right? So let me see the color. Huh. So absolutely beautiful.
What
See the
what
color.
is you're adding baking soda?
Baking soda. Baking soda.
Okay.
So here is my color.
Okay.
So how do I show it? I need some white cloth. I don't have a white cloth. So this is my blue. Can you see the blue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see blue?
Yeah, we can see it. It is
And this
dark.
is purple.
It is dark blue. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is purple. Can you see purple? And this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
blue,
Yes.
right?
Wow.
So let's try out this. And it's a beautiful pink. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Just with the lemon. I'm not
Mm.
making the pink because I already made this. Close this and let me just make your two colors.
Neeta, your voice wasn't clear while you were making the blue. So could you please share the how much was the
So I just took a
baking soda?
pinch. So I just took baking soda
Uh-huh.
and you have to add just a pinch.
Okay.
Just a pinch. Can you see pinch? Just
Yes.
a pinch. It's just
Yeah.
a pinch. I
Uh-huh.
added just a pinch. If you add too much, it'll not be blue, it'll become green.
Yes.
So the stronger the base, more green it will move towards. You just want to turn from purple to blue. You can now see the difference between the two colors. Can you see?
Yeah.
Purple and blue. Purple and blue. So I'll make both to show you how it turns out to be. So here's the color. I'm taking my corn flour. And I'm doing my purple. See the purple?
Yes.
It's lilac now.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
want it a little darker. So you remember, you can stop whenever, whatever color you like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is up to you. Like lilac, you go to lilac. You want it a little darker, you add a little more. Remember, you have to keep adding. You can keep adding till it is damp and not wet. It is
Yeah.
damp and not wet.
So let's say if we we want darker color and we add more liquid and it becomes damp, so we can add more corn flour.
Yeah, you can, or you dry it. You can dry
Yeah.
it,
Hmm.
but it should not become coarse.
Yeah.
I'm not gone to that stage, so I want you have to check it out. See, look at this beautiful color.
Yeah.
Want it darker, you can have it darker. But this is so pretty. Such a pretty color. And make for your, this thing, I'm going to make it a little darker so that you can see the color. Otherwise, because of so much of white light, difficult to see the color.
It looks like clay.
Yeah. See, I add a little more, so I'm finding it slightly more damper.
Clumpy.
clumpy हो रहा है.
Yeah.
See, clumpy हो रहा है. Okay, so avoid
Mhm.
this stage. Avoid this stage.
Yeah.
So here is the purple. It's become clumpy. I shouldn't have added that extra spoon. So when you demo and all the thing, you are not taking so much as here. See this, okay? Can you see
Oh,
the color?
so beautiful, my God.
Yeah. All right. So, but
So beautiful,
yeah, but
beautiful.
I shouldn't have added the last spoon. Anyway, this has to dry up and then sieve it. All right. Now and the other
Yes.
side, I'll put the blue now. Right.
Mhm.
Again, I'll take my corn flour. I've got corn flour all over me. Yeah.
It is the white holy with corn
I
flour.
know. I'm already playing holy. Okay. And it's light, so that's why, So here it, and here's the blue color. Here's the blue. Can you see the blue? You see the
Yes,
blue color?
yes. Yeah.
You can see the blue. I'm doing it from top. You see?
Mhm. It's a rich blue now. Wow.
The rich blue. You can use food color if you want, but I think going with the food color is also chemicals, by the way. Though they're
Yeah.
edible, but why go for it when there is charm, such a beauty in making your own color? This is my third spoon. I think 3 spoon, max 4 is good enough, but 3 is good enough for this. Oh, lovely. You can see the color difference. The more I mash it, the more color will come.
It's a nice group activity.
Yeah.
The muscle person can do the mixing.
See the color?
Oh,
Oh,
See the blue?
wow.
Blue and purple.
Yes.
very nicely.
Blue and purple.
Nice. Very
And-
English colors.
Yeah. So there's more left if you want, but you can't add it in this. This has already taken its limit. So these are the different colors. I think I covered most of it. As I said, there's no end to it. People make so many colors you can make. There's so much colors in nature, right?
So, like you said, that if we add more, to the blue color, if we add more,
Soda, I think, ma'am.
more soda, then it will make green,
Yes, because
right?
higher basis means if you see the pH chart, it goes from purple to pink to red. Red is that very high acid, and here that's why it is pink. Pink is okay for your skin. So this
Yeah.
may be about 5 or the same, But you
Yeah.
can't have 1 or 2. That's acidic. Then it's burn your skin.
One,
You
yeah.
can't have something which is high acidic and high basic. You can't have 14, 13, 14. That will also, it's corrosive.
Yeah.
Both extremes are corrosive.
Mhm.
In acid and base, both are corrosive.
Yeah.
So you have to have in that range
Balance.
of 5 to 3, not even say, not even 3, I think 4. 4 is okay, but not the same.
So making a green would be
say 4 भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा है 5 6 7 8 9 तक ठीक है.
Okay. So making a green will be very harsh.
Yeah, because it goes to the extreme.
Extreme. Yeah.
You're,
Oh.
you're adding too much of soda, right?
Yeah.
You're adding too much of soda, or you add something more strong basic. Any strong basic you can add. The moment you add, you will know the color. So let blue is good.
Yeah.
And green, you have parlor.
Mhm.
You know, you can do the parlor thing.
Yeah.
Why not? So these are your colors,
Great.
right?
Nice, nice.
Nice, ma'am.
I'll take a picture and I'll share it in the group once we finish. And this is a
Yes.
beautiful,
The top angle. So
yeah, top
so
angle. I'll decorate it and put everything and I'll all the things and I'll take a picture and I'll snapshot and I'll give it along with my potli, shotlis, everything. Yeah. So this I had made
Thank you so much,
this
Nika.
I had made it with yellow gende ka phool. This is the yellow genda.
So yellow genda ke only the petals
Only
आपने
the
ले
petals.
लिए?
Only petals. You don't
Only
want
the
the green
petals?
mixing it, right? You don't want the
Huh?
green mixing. So only the
Yeah.
petals. So
Yeah.
that's the one. So any questions?
I'm
Any
ready to.
questions?
No questions. I
Okay.
asked all my questions.
Ma'am, how long will these colors last? I mean,
Sorry?
because it's natural. How long will it last after we make it? Like maybe a week or so?
So this one which I'm talking about, I made Gendika. That was made last year.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
And I kept it in the fridge.
okay.
Yeah. And
So
this, all these which I made last year, I kept it in the fridge.
Oh, so we can keep it for the next year also.
Yeah. If it's extra, you just I put it in in paper pads and I just wrap it and put it in one corner of my fridge. There are more colors which is in the kitchen. There were little other colors were also there, but I think purple got slightly faded out. So this is what happens when you add too much of moisture. So when you add too much of this thing, this is what has happened. You know, so it's good to that there are errors also. When there's an error, then it becomes like this.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
should not become to this stage. Now, what I have to do is I have to now dry it. It will be okay. I'll have to dry it and then sieve it. Dry it means air dry it.
Yeah.
I'll dry it, sieve it, and I'll put a picture of this tomorrow. Okay.
Definitely.
Because so this is what I was saying. Now this is wet. This is damp. This is wet. We should not come to the wet stage. We should be only till when it is still in the powdery stage.
Powder form.
Powder form.
Yeah.
It should not be when it is a lump.
Yeah.
This is what we should not do. All right.
So once it is lump, we can still like when it
try it.
dries up, we can run it in the mixie and then
You
sieve
can
it.
run it in the mixie and sieve it. You can do that. You don't even have to run it. You just do sieve it and it'll come out.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the beauty of corn flour and arrowroot,
Mhm.
which is not in the maida.
Maida.
Once it gets wet, it becomes lumpy. It remains clumpy.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it becomes hard.
Yeah.
Then
And rubbery.
Yeah. Then it's not good for your skin.
So like the rice flour is just like maida, right? It has the same soft texture.
No, rice is coarse. I don't know whether rice powder.
Rice powder.
Rice powder, maybe. I don't know. I haven't used. But rice powder also people use to make pitha. So yeah, it clumps up.
Huh.
Pithe
Exactly.
means in Bengali even in the south you bake with nariyal.
Yes.
Nariyal. Isn't
It's
it?
like chilha kind of thing.
Powder is a bit coarse.
Then it becomes like it'll become coarse and it will become like a dough.
Yeah.
Yes.
So maida like we use for the powder or like for the dry colors. Maybe we can try using the chawal ka atta for the dry colors. Let's see.
Please try.
We'll try, yeah.
Please try. Like when I started making this wet, I tried with maida. Now, how did I come to know
Yeah.
maida is not working?
Yeah.
Because I tried with maida and I got it gritty. So I have a video which I'll share, which I made it last year with the Nature All. So I'll share that. You can see that there I'm showing it. That, see this, after straining it, this much was, I could recover only this much. If the rest all was all gritty, I couldn't do anything. I did mixie, tixie, everything, kuch nahi hua. वो वैसे का वैसा रहा, you know. So nothing happened unless you do silbatta karke uske and all. Who's going to do that, you know?
No, but this was a good, very good learning.
Yeah,
Especially the making purple say 3 colors. That was superb.
yeah.
That was
Kept
like,
it for the last.
yeah, wonderful,
Yeah.
awesome.
So I thought of getting marigold and doing it. I said it's going to lengthen it. Why not do it with the haldi and show you how haldi you can get with haldi also, and with the one is with the haldi and one is with the
Yeah.
tuna haldi. So this is tuna haldi. This is haldi.
Yeah, that tuna also that was new for me.
Yeah,
I
tuna.
learned-
Yeah.
That's nice.
Again, a lot of people use a little bit the kumkum. You can just make a little put and gila bindi बनाने के लिए.
Yeah.
The little kumkum में थोड़ा वो हल्दी में थोड़ा सा चूना डाल के you can put it as your tilak.
Yeah.
But not too much tuna. Remember, it has to be just a pinch. And it
Yeah.
took some time for it to dissolve. I
Yeah.
just took a pinch because tuna is again very corrosive.
Yeah.
पान में भी चूना थोड़ा सा लगाते, ज्यादा लगाने से then your whole
Jal jal.
जल जाता.
So
yeah.
what about chandan, the sandal?
So all this chandan, you can add the chandan powder for the fragrance.
Okay.
Chandan, you do it with a fragrance. Perfume, you do it with a fragrance. Essence, you do it with a fragrance. You want khas, you all fragrance. So there are 3 parts in a wet gulal. One is the base, which is your cornflower or arrowroot. One is the color, which is any fruit and vegetable, any color, flowers, fruits, leaves, vegetables, which we can tolerate on our body.
Yeah.
We can consume. So
Yeah.
think of something which I can drink or consume. I will use it for my color. Not that beautiful color. I love the color, but I don't know whether I can eat it or not. And don't try that because
Yeah.
I don't know how it reacts. So only
Yeah.
edible leaves, fruits, and flowers. Okay. And the
Hmm.
third part is the fragrance.
Fragrance.
That liquid, after making the liquid, you add your fragrance to it. So that when you're putting it, you get nice fragrance to it. Otherwise, like the purple one, like this cabbage has a very strong,
Strong.
a
Aroma.
flavor, and the flavor is very strong.
Yeah.
So to mask it, you can add a perfume, or you can add chandan. To this, you can add chandan. To this, you can add chandan. To this, you can add rose. Okay. To this, you can have kevda or something, whatever you want. You can add what you add for your food essence. You can add that.
So like gulab jal is a good thing
Yes,
for
gulab
skin.
jal,
So
you
we
can
can
add
add
gulab jal.
gulab jal for anything.
Yeah. So
Right?
if you want, you can use your gulab jal ka ice cubes bana lo. Because remember, pani utna hi dalna hai. Pani
Yeah.
nahi dal rahe, 2 ice cubes dal rahe.
Huh.
In your ice cube, you can make your gulab jal ka ice cube, usi se bana lo. So you will get fragrance.
Yeah.
You know, you can
Got
do that by.
Got it.
Or if it's a thick gulab jal ka, it's not very watery, it's thick. Then you can add it to the liquid that you have prepared. You add prepare your liquid, you add your gulab jal in this. But not too much water. Then if you're adding too much water, then you're diluting it.
Yeah.
So you cannot dilute it. Remember, that's what 2 ice measurement is the right one. 1 cup ke liye 2 ice is good
2
enough.
ice.
Only for the purple cabbage, I added 4.
4.
This is dry, absolutely dry.
Yeah.
I found it so dry. With my 2 ice cubes, I get nothing.
Yeah.
So I got a beautiful concoction only with this when I added 4. And I added half of this. The others I've taken less of that. So when I was doing my grinding, this is full. When I was doing the grinding, it was not full. It was a little less than. This is like full, packed, full.
Yeah.
So then it was slightly less. So that's why 2 ice cubes were good enough. And color, you get enough color with this. How much color do you want to make? This is good enough. 1 bowl of it.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I had a question now. I think when I remember, I'm going to ask. But meanwhile, anyone else, Debashrita, Parul, if anyone wants to ask, please do. I'm trying to think of my question.
Ma'am, one doubt is, can we strain with a tea strainer, ma'am, or only the cloth will do, cotton cloth?
You can. If your tea strainer is very fine, you can. But don't have those any granules coming in, because you don't want the granules touching your thing. If you're okay with it, fine.
No, ma'am, that finishing will not be there, no? If the
is what there were some old banyans and all the things which were torn. So I use a banyan thing. anything
Achha.
which is thin and cotton,
Yeah.
no
Hmm.
synthetic. And
Ma'am,
cotton is
fiber-
always good because it's porous and then you get the strain. So it's all
Ma'am,
yarn material. I'm using.
fiber should not come with the juice.
I
It
mean,
should-
yeah, it's better not to not that. Otherwise, even if you if like for cabbage, you don't want that fiber, right?
Yeah.
But palak is the fiber is so soft. Beetroot
Yes.
is slightly gritty, slightly
Yeah.
lumpy,
Mm.
so you don't want that. The others have not used the fruits and vegetables. So, like if you're doing anar ka juice, anar ka juice and all, you don't want that seeds to come in,
Yeah.
Yes.
and that's gritty. So,
Mm.
depending on that, then you just strain it. That's fine. You strain it twice and don't
Hmm.
press it next time. First time you press it, and second time you just strain it and let it collect whatever the surface is. If you have a fine strainer, you can use it. It's the
We
same
can use
concept.
different
Yeah.
cloth for different colors, ma'am, because
No,
otherwise.
I use the same color. I
Huh.
use the same one cloth. After
Oh.
making one, I washed it, the color immediately goes off and hardly any difference. So what I do is I always start with the light color.
Yes.
I
yes.
first
Light
started
color.
with the, which was the first one? I started with the palak first, then I did
Palak.
beetroot, and then I did the purple.
Purple. Yes,
And
ma'am.
I washed it. I washed it.
Oh,
So
washed
the
it and
stain, the cloth is stained, but the color will not come, and hardly any color will come.
yeah.
So I did it in such a way that even after beetroot, a little bit of pink touches it, doesn't matter. It also has a touch of pink in it.
Very nice idea, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember my question. How much what was the quantity of the beetroot? Was it one beetroot or
One beetroot.
one?
It was this, where's the beetroot here? It was around slightly bigger than this. It was. I took one.
Okay.
Peel
Huh.
it, chop it, and then grind it.
So
You know,
no, so you didn't use the peels.
I didn't use the peels because see, I want the beetroot color. I don't want the brown color. This is different color. If you're adding another color, that color will add to that.
Mhm.
I am not interested in this color. I'm interested. If I want to make this color, then I'll use this only with the other.
Okay.
But I don't want brown.
Mhm.
So so you have to take like same thing with the ganda ka phool. You don't want the green part. You only want the yellow part. So you have to pluck it. So you don't mix the color. You want
Okay.
one color.
Okay.
So one color or in ganda also you have two types of ganda. You have the yellow one, the orange one.
Orange.
The orange one will give you the orange color, and the green yellow one will give that. This is the light yellow wala.
The light.
The light yellow wala ganda hai. And
So
I
you
packet it and extra I pack it and put it in the fridge.
okay? So you like take off the petals of the गेंदा flower and उसके बाद उसको dry करके उसको powder बना ले.
Dry nahi kiya.
Wet.
All fresh. Everything I
fresh.
use is fresh.
Okay, so fresh कर उसको
Once
mix
you dry it, then you can't grind it and get it. Then you have to boil it and get it.
Yeah, exactly. So
Ah.
you use the fresh flour
Fresh flour
in the mixie with the ice.
with the ice. So if
Okay.
I want to do hibiscus, so I'll take 5-6 hibiscus, whatever, 1 cup or whatever hibiscus.
Yeah.
Whatever that, I'll add my ice in it, put it in the blender, blend it, put it in a cloth, strain it, and then use it.
Yeah.
But you
That's
have to do it on the same day.
yes.
You're right. You do not keep the color and keep it because color keeps getting denatured.
Yeah.
If you want to keep it, say 1 day, you can keep it in the fridge and keep it. Like today, I made the purple, the beetroot. But yesterday, I wanted to see my palak. So I made the palak yesterday.
Mhm.
But I felt that the color was slightly this. Maybe it would have been different if it was fresh. I would have got it more greener. But I wanted to test it. This is the way you test it.
Yeah.
Make everything fresh. Because these are fresh flowers, leaves, fruits.
I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
Science teachers are magicians.
That's very nice, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome.
Any questions, Parul? Any questions?
Halo
Deepika?
Holi naturally.
Yes.
That's the
Halo, Holi,
tagline. Halo Holi naturally.
Naturally.
yes.
Holi is one of my favorite, festival. I love it.
I don't
And
play.
now I don't play the way I used to play it. Now I
I
only
don't-
that one thing, Tilak is good enough.
Yes,
But I
exactly.
still like the festival of colors.
But this time I'm going to make all these colors at home.
Yes.
I'm looking forward for a different kind
Yes.
of
Can you see
Holi.
this blue is becoming even brighter?
Yes.
Can you see? because it's absorbing. With time, it absorbs. And
Right.
look at the yellow. Yellow has even become brighter.
Wow, yes.
When I showed you first,
It was light.
yeah, because it's the thing is slowly absorbing. And as it's absorbing, it's becoming brighter.
Oh, this color also. Wow.
Yeah. Even this.
So how was the experience, ladies? You all just experienced and you were part of this magic, that white corn flour and some, fruits and veggies and turned into bowls of colors. Give us some feedback. Wow, pretty, pretty.
Really, ma'am, I never thought we could.
Still the best for your skin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Uptan,
pretty, pretty.
besan, and haldi. 5:1.
Yes, I have written down all of that. And if you guys want, ladies
So
want.
when you're doing a demo, Anuja, what you have to do is you will make the besan haldi in front of them and show the color. But 2-3 days before you make it, to show the difference in the color. You understand what I'm saying?
Say that again, please.
So when you're making your besan haldi
Yeah,
for your demo, when you're doing in the school,
yeah.
this color will not come on the day you make it. This color will come 2-3 days before. So make a set before you go to school, 3 days before you make a color, so that
Yeah.
on the day you reach the school, the color becomes bright.
Yes.
Okay. On the day you make it, you'll see how dull it's going to be. And you don't worry, the color, later show them, give away the surprise, tell them this will become later after 3 days because it gets oxidized. Gets exposed to air, gets oxidized, and that's how the besan and haldi works.
And storing in plastic bottles or storing in glass bottles, does it react differently or is the same?
It's the same.
It's the same.
I like when I store it, I put it in, you get so many envelopes and all the thing. I put it in an envelope, paper envelope,
Okay.
and
Paper.
it's easy to make a packet and, put a little, otherwise bottle, how much space will it take? So
Yeah.
I put it in paper bag, used envelopes. I put it in that, label it, and I left it. So this I said is a color which is of last year's,
Wow.
and these also of last year's.
That palette is really beautiful.
Right, no? Yeah.
Excuse
I'm
me,
going to
ma'am.
click a picture of you and that palette.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Debash.
Yes, ma'am. One question. The fragrance will stay for 1 year.
No. We put it
It
again.
will not stay. It will go away.
No. You spray again. Spray kar do.
Acha. Okay.
कहाँ जाएगा? Fragrance तो नहीं रहेगा.
हाँ. वही.
हाँ.
Okay.
Whole concept of natural color is so beautiful that nobody's into that fragrance. Oh, it's lovely smell. I'm getting it now.
मुझे एक question था, Anita.
हाँ.
Can we also use glycerin?
Glycerin? For what?
The liquid, when we are doing the liquid, adding the liquid.
But glycerin doesn't have any color.
No, it doesn't have any color. That जब हम पानी के साथ उसको मिला रहे हैं, जैसे हमने हल्दी को मिलाया या किसी चीज को मिलाया या बर्फ में like the mixie में पीसा, glycerin is also like clear.
Try. Anuja, please try
I
and
will.
share the idea. Yeah, why not? See, one has to always experiment. One has to experiment and then only you'll come to know. Please try glycerine and see how it works out. So make glycerine ice cubes, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, try. Fantastic. Let's see.
Thank you, ma'am.
The glycerine is slightly
Thicker.
yeah, thicker. So try.
Mhm.
I mean, there's no harm trying. I
Got
can't say. So the answer which I don't have, I can't answer it. So, but there's no harm trying it. But I like the idea.
Yeah, I was just thinking of all the kinds of liquids that we have that have like a faint smell and we can use. So that came in my mind.
Yeah, try.
We shall. Now all the kitchens are going to become like mini labs.
Mine is anyway.
Good. All the best to everyone.
Thank you.
And I'm going to have a group picture now.
Okay.
Smiles. Yes, Parul. Come to the camera. Yes. Happy Women's Day and happy Holi.
Hello, Holi naturally.
Khelo
Hello,
Holi
Holi naturally.
naturally.
Hello, Holi naturally.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really magical.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
It was really magical. I totally agree.
A lot of preparation went into this.
So much of it. My God.
Yeah.
I
Since
really
yesterday, I've
admire
been
and appreciate. Thank you. Thank